I'm going to review every rule in truth functional logic so you can practice proofs. The idea of the video is that you can have a review of each rule, and then you're going to pause the video and do the practice problems to make sure you understand it. So get ready with your practice problems in Carnap, and we're going to do them in small chunks. So the idea of a proof is a demonstration that an argument is valid. You have to restrict yourself to only the allowable inference rules. Every line of the proof, you say what you know and how you know it on the right-hand side. So you are allowed only a certain number of inference rules. So we're going to review all of those, starting with the conjunction rules. So first, you have conjunction elimination. Conjunction elimination allows you to eliminate a conjunction. Anytime a conjunction appears in a proof, so a conjunction would be something like this, for example. Anytime a conjunction appears in the proof, at a later line, you are allowed to take out a part of that conjunction. The idea is, because I know that A and B is true, that allows me to know that A must be true. So I'm saying that I know A is true based on the conjunction A and B. If I know A and B is true, then I also know A is true. So the conjunction might be more complex. So you could have something like this, say, where you have a conditional as one of the conjuncts, we say. So this has two conjuncts, right? This and then this. So you could take out either part of it and you say conjunction elimination. And then you cite the line number of the line of the proof that had the conjunction on it. So in an actual proof, it looks like this. If this is, say, your premise, you would be allowed to write this by conjunction elimination line 1. And if you wanted, you could also write this by conjunction elimination line 1. So that's conjunction elimination. Conjunction introduction then is just the exact opposite. The idea is any two lines of the proof can be combined to form a conjunction. So in this rule, it's because I know separately that A and B are true that I know together as a conjunction A and B is true. And in this case, you need to cite two lines. So if this was line 1 and 2, this would be conjunction introduction lines 1 and 2. Any two lines of a proof can be combined with conjunction introduction. So you could have something like this, say, and then you could put these two together if you wanted to. They don't have to be right next to each other, but in this case they are. So you take the entirety of line 1 and line 2 and you put them together, conjunction introduction 1 and 2. Yeah, so it's really important in conjunction introduction, you take the whole thing on one line and you add it to the whole thing on another line and you make a conjunction out of it. Any two lines of a proof can be combined that way, because if I know they're true separately, I also know their conjunction is true. If I know that Mary went to the party and I know Bob went to the party, if I know those two things separately, then I know the sentence Mary and Bob went to the party is also true, the conjunction. So pause now and do the practice problems for the conjunction rules.